Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth Dikshit and my roll number is 21BT30027. And for my second DIY assignment, I have designed a home automation system in Tinkercad. In this, we are having multiple sensors and multiple actuators. We have the Arduino Uno, we have the breadboard, the PIR sensor, the ultrasonic distance sensor, the micro servo, a light bulb, the temperature sensor, and an LED bulb and a resistor. So before we begin, let's look at the code here. So let me zoom out. So looking at the code, we can see that I have initialized some variables and set the if-else conditions to the variables to set the parameters to make the sensors work. I have set the various conditions on which the sensors would operate. Now let's start the simulation. Okay. So first of all, looking at the ultrasonic distance sensor, okay, now we see that it's far away. So the servo is in this position. And then as we move closer and closer and closer, and as soon as we get below 100 centimeter, we see that the servo rotates. So that would be our first sensor. And then if we move it back, it goes back to its initial position. Now we get to the PIR sensor, and like even if we cause a little movement, we see that the light bulb, it glows, and then it glows for 1 second and then it stops automatically. So as soon as it senses the motion, it starts glowing. Let's move it again. It glows and now it will automatically stop. Now let's get to the temperature sensor. So as soon as we start increasing the temperature, and as soon as it crosses a specific threshold, we see that this LED bulb glows. So this is my project, and as soon as we decrease it, it stops glowing. So this is my project. I hope you guys liked it.